Our enterprise for the production of powdered pharmaceuticals in two men has been working in the pharmaceutical market for more than 20 years. Last year, the management of our plant decided to improve the processes in production to optimize the operation of equipment. At the general meeting on the development of production, the leading engineer of the analytical laboratory proposed to update the analytical and laboratory equipment. Using the laboratory equipment, they monitor the ratings of moisture level, melting time, transparency, dissolution, hardness parameters, thickness, decomposability, many analytical operations to determine the quality of raw materials, finished products, we conducted on outdated analytical equipment, which often did not provide indicators for verification. I work at the enterprise as a leading production technologist, and I was tasked to find and purchase an analyzer for dissolving tablets and capsules, which is used to measure the speed and degree of dissolution of tablets and capsules. I began my search, having clarified the necessary parameters in advance with the leading engineer of the analytical laboratory. He also suggested choosing a compact and modern analyzer, with the ability to regulate the time and speed of agitator rotation in the tanks. The engineer advised me to first contact the manufacturers of the equipment. They provide warranty service, drawings, operation manuals, mounting and installation of manufactured equipment. I followed his advice. I chose one company on the internet that produces pharmaceutical equipment in Germany. I visited their website and wrote a letter, in which I indicated the desired parameters and the capabilities of the machine. I did not indicate a specific machine. I wanted to see what they could offer me. A week later, I received the reply that they did not produce such machines specifically, but could design and produce them, if requested by the end of next year. That was too long for us, so I decided to look for other equipment producers. I found a company in China on the internet that makes an analyzer for dissolving tablets and capsules. I called them and asked whether they could supply me with similar equipment. They answered that they had such a machine. The manager asked for my phone number and said she would call me back in the evening when she checked with her company engineer about the capabilities of automatic equipment. However, she did not call in the evening. I contacted them the next day. The manager said that she had passed the request on to the design department and that she would contact me when she got an answer. This seems strange to me. When do I wait for an answer? How long to wait for an answer? Not a business-like approach to the customer. After a series of failures, I gave up on finding an analyzer to dissolve pills and capsules on my own. I liked that the website was up to date, presented videos of the equipment, lots of contacts for communication. I also noticed that the website had been around since 2003. The company had been on the equipment supply market for a long time, and that is a good reason to say that it was successful. I called the manager. He said he remembered me and was happy to hear from me again. I told him that I was looking for an analyzer for dissolving pills and capsules and named the characteristics of the desired machine. He suggested a tester option that was popular with customers and proven in production. I agreed to consider it. The manager emailed me the passport and the instruction manual for the equipment. He also offered to perform a turnkey delivery procedure. I liked the proposed version of the equipment, and I agreed it with the management. A week later, we signed a contract for the delivery of the analyzer for dissolving tablets and capsules. 30 days after signing the contract, my manager called me and told me that the equipment was ready, and in a week it would be delivered. The analyzer was delivered according to the contract in 30 days. The equipment was as I wanted it to be, compact with simple and easy controls. The unit has 6 reservoirs and 6 blades arranged in a single row. The main parts of this equipment turn smoothly and flexibly. The device is equipped with automatic control of temperature, speed, and time. The laboratory engineer and I, including myself, were pleased with the proposed option of the tester for determining the disintegration of tablets and pellets. Choosing the equipment was not so easy. I went a hard way. There were obstacles and failures, but I was lucky. I met a specialist who solved my problems, gave competent advice, and left positive emotions from communication.